Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1, and we are learning unit 12. Its title is The Giant Panda. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today once again we are going to learn about pointing words, and before this we have learned about singular and plural naming words. I hope you remember. And yesterday we practiced the same SLO which we are going to practice further. Use words that point to something, this, that, these and those. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 2. This is the book of Allah. There is no doubt in it. It is a guidance for the pious. Yes, my dear children, as I told you yesterday, what this beautiful verse is pointing to, this, and this is referring to Quran. This is the book. This is the book of Allah. So beta, we should learn how to recite Quran properly, and we should recite Quran every day. Now, my dear children, this is a pointing word, as I told you yesterday. So first you tell me, what are singular pointing words and what are plural pointing words? I have taught you yesterday. So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could recall that this is an apple. This is a pointing word for singular naming word which is closer to us, and that is also a pointing word for singular naming word which are farther from us, right? And these are apples. These is pointing word for plural naming words which are closer to us, and those are apples. Those is a pointing word for naming words which are plural and they are farther from us. Do you remember? Okay, so I brought another example for you. This and that, these are pointing words for singular naming words. These and those are pointing words for plural naming words. And the other example is, rabbit is near to you, so how you will point to it? This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. And it is singular, that's why I have used this. Now, rabbits are plural, they are more than one and they are closer to us. So how we'll point to it? These are rabbits. This is a rabbit. These are rabbits. So these is pointing word for plural naming word. Are you getting it? Because we have learned it just yesterday. That is a cat. Again, because cat is one and it is farther, that is a cat and those are cats. Because they are plural, more than one and they are farther. Those are cats. That is a cat. Those are cats. That is a cat. Those are cats. Okay. So how we'll practice? This is a rabbit. These are rabbits. That is a cat. Those are cats. Right. This is how by pointing we can find out something closer or farther. Right. Okay. So let's practice it again through an activity. How we are going to do it? Now teacher will place different objects at different places. Few objects nearer and few farther, and it will include both singular and plural objects. Maybe one object and objects in groups. So now teacher will point towards objects near and far away, and students will use this or that or these or those by naming the objects. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope now you are clear with the use of this, that, these, those. Can you use it correctly? I'm going to check it. All of you, open your book on page number 89. Now you will look at the picture. If it is closer to you, or it is singular or plural, you will find out and you will fill in the blanks by using this, that, these, or those. First, you will select the correct pointing word and then you will write the correct pointing word in the given space. Okay, so pause the video, complete this task in your book and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good, you are smart. Now it's time for your homework. Once again, you will write simple sentences by using this, that, these, and those in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do? Once again, you will look at the picture, either it's closer or farther, it is singular or plural, and then you will select the correct pointing word to complete these sentences. So what we have learned today, we learned to point something near to us. We use this for singular, these for plural, and to point something farther from us, we use that for singular and those for plural naming words. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLO. Use words that point to something, this, that, these, and those. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.